All right, today I have a 2019 Ford Fusion, and today I'm going to show you one way on how to shift the gears in this particular vehicle. It's a new vehicle. The shifter is quite different. I'm going to go over it. But before we get started, could you give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel for more great content? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so I'm sitting behind the steering wheel of the vehicle, right? In the vehicle. I'm going to look down towards the center. And you see this little knob thing right here. This is kind of crazy. This is how you shift gears these days, all right, in this vehicle. So what I'm going to do is, the vehicle is currently in park. I'm going to put my foot on the brake, all right? And then I am going to shift this, okay? I can shift it to rear. And when I shift it to rear, the rear camera comes on right there, pretty cool. And I can also shift it to neutral. And then shift it to drive, okay? Pretty cool. Now, what is this S right here in the center? Let's see about that. I press that. That is turn to shifter mode, where I can use the paddles right here. They're pretty cool. All right, shifter mode. To turn it off, I can go ahead and press this, and the shifter mode turns off and back in drive. And then again, my foot is still on the brake, you guys. All right, and then I'm gonna put it back into park, just like that. And that's how you put the car in gear and shift the gears. Let me know if you have any questions.